Hi friends, so today we are going to learn about economics. In previous classes we have learned only about neurological disorders and about grammar. But in today's video we have learned about the neurological disorders and science, physics, and today in after that economics, and after that we will learn about grammar. So let's start with it. Firstly, economics. Today's topic is our how we can improve our villages and farming, because these two problems are getting more irritated to our politicians and in our India. Especially in India, it is so cheap facilities for this both for farming and village. Firstly, for improving the water system, firstly the is not sufficient to is not sufficient for farming also, and villaging for villagers also, because of that they use poor quality water of the lakes, which get purified purified from the low and poor types of companies, which tells which purifies but not in actual way not in actual way, and that water get poor in quality and no minerals in it. For the villagers this is not good, and for the farming, because crops need and water which has bad impurities and good impurities also. But in this water there is not uh, any type of impurity or power. Cause of that, the water sufficiency is getting more day by day. To solve this, what we can do? The question is, to solve this, what we can do? Firstly, to solve this, we can make a big company, and we can get the purification system, or we can supply water to the villagers by the tanks, or by the wells we can also make wells which makes more water from the mm, from and better quality from this all machineries and all, because the water which goes down, that has so much impurities and proteins in it, that makes the village that makes the plants and all more easy to grow and quick to grow. And for taking advantage, we can use the machineries also, which is normal, and for purifying the water of not the water of the bad impurities, and which is a wastewater, strings, lakes, which is the waste mm, waste full of waste. We should not purify that water. Instead of that, we have to purify the water which is clear and more has have more impurities in it. And then comes a new and then comes the problem which is so common in our village and farming, which is sun and the life shed. Life shed is not there properly. Life shed is not there in villages, and for that we can have the schemes. We can keep scheme offers, and we can go get them for the works in their own state, not in other, because the state, if the state get changed, the people can't work properly in different states, because they has their own slang accent and their own rules and all. Because of that we have to uh, follow the our own state and give them job or schemes or offers, and we can provide them tractors also for easy and more fast working. So I guess you have understand what we have to do for our villagers and farming. Next topic, we will learn about next topics in our next class, what more things we can do in our for our village and our farming.